Hi everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. So in this tutorial, we'll show you how you can create your YouTube thumbnail using Canva.com. And in order to create the thumbnail, all you need to do, log in into your account. And as you can see here, go to the template section. And over here, look for YouTube thumbnail. As you can see, now you will find thousands of templates, as you can see. You can look for the thumbnail that fits your video, for example. If you want, you can change this one, for example, into your own thumbnail. Then click on customize this thumbnail. So you can remove this person, for example, and you can put your own image as example, or you can choose any other thing, actor in the thumbnail. Basically, all those model, you can use that for free. Let's just change this one. This will be only a quick tutorial how to use the thumbnails that are already available. And the best thing is you can also use PNG image from outside and just copy and paste. For example, let's dive into Google image. As you can see, and here you can look, for example, for YouTube logo. And I will show you as PNG, and they will show you how you can use images that are not copyrighted. You just click on tools and you select usage rights and choose the Creative Commons licenses. As you can see now, all those logo are Creative Commons, so you can use them. And if you see that it is actually PNG, as you can see here, you have with background, and now you see it is a PNG. You can directly copy image and go directly to your editing section in Canva and paste the image, and you can see that the image is successfully pasted into your YouTube section. As you can see, you can also add a background. You can make it like this, and now you can see that everything is created successfully. And if you need to download this, all you need to do is click on share, and now you'll find the download button. By clicking on the download button, you select the file type. The best file type for YouTube thumbnail is JPG file, and here you can set the quality as you like. Don't And as you can see, your Gemini is ready to use, and the quality is super great. You can say it is great.